Hello and welcome to the April edition of Pork Talk. Last month we discussed whether there were signs these tougher times might be about to ease. Let's see how this situation has developed since then. The SPP has now moved up very slightly for 2 consecutive weeks, the first positive movement since July last year. However, there is still a way to go until prices move back above average production costs. For the final quarter of 2018, estimated GB finished pig production costs were at 156 pence per kilogram. Nonetheless, there are signs that this upward momentum could continue. European pig prices have been moving up since early February, though volatility in the pound has softened this effect in sterling terms. The gap between the UK and EU average reference prices has still managed to fall a little over the past month, though, to 20 pence per kilogram. Further positive signs come from retail sales, with recent reports from Kantar World Panel indicating fresh pork sales increased in the latest 12-week period ending 24th of February. Although the continuing poor performance from bacon mitigates any positive impact of this. Look out for detailed analysis of this on the AHDB pork website. From an export perspective, sales were also good in the early part of the year. During January, UK pig meat exports increased 11% compared to last year, and average prices were higher. Exports to China in particular increased over 50%, and there remains significant potential for growth into this market as the year progresses. The African swine fever situation remains serious there. Although prohibitive tariffs continue to disadvantage product from the US lean hog futures market soared in March, reflecting expectations that increasing volumes of US product will be required regardless. So overall, there remains some positive signs for the British pork market over the coming months, though much depends on developments with African swine fever and, of course, Brexit. Keeping up to date on developments is always important, and analysis that is more recent is available on the prices and stats section of the AHDB pork website.